Let's set up Security Link for Nissan, starting with setting up an AutoAuth account for new users. For new AutoAuth users, go to AutoAuth.com on a new tab and select Register. Fill out your account information, accept the terms and conditions, and click Sign Up. You'll receive an email to confirm your email address. Click the link in the email to verify. Log in with your username and password. Choose for Service Center and Independent Technicians or for Technicians depending on your shop's preference. In this example, we'll select Service Centers and Independent Technicians. Select the plan that best fits your shop's needs. For most users, the standard plan is fine. Fill out personal and shop information as prompted. Once you've selected a region, check the box for Nissan. Follow the remaining prompts to complete sign up. Scroll down, accept the terms and conditions, and select Sign Up. Let's add OEMs to an existing AutoAuth account. Log into AutoAuth.com on a new tab. In the top right corner, click the icon with two wrenches. Select Subscriptions. Under Active Manufacturers, verify that Nissan is subscribed. Let's walk through how to add a diagnostic scan tool to AutoAuth. On the left side, select Tools. Then Add Tool. Select the manufacturer dropdown. Select Snap-on. Under the tool model, select All Other Models. The scan tool serial number is located on the back of all scan tools. Note, enter the serial number in all caps with no dashes or spaces. AutoAuth will not verify the correct scan tool serial number. Check the serial number to ensure the proper connection. Select Add Tool. If successful, the device will display under the Tools tab. Your tool is now linked. Let's link Nissan to a technician profile. Go to altusdrive.com and select Manage Existing Account to log in. Once logged into Technician Profile Manager, navigate to the Security Link tab on the left. Click the blue plus next to Nissan Group. Add required information if prompted, either account information and/or shop information. Enter your AutoAuth username and password. Note, to find your username, click your initials on the top right corner of AutoAuth.com. Check the required boxes and save. Finally, restart all diagnostic scan tools connected to this account to sync.